Welcome to FX 7 Days, the currency analysis and forecasts for May 21st. As we see that the euro dollar struggled around this area, 26.50, which is the last low, and it's uptrend line on the weekly. We see this trend line down, the thin trend line, and they draw it again on the daily that we see the real levels. So we see that the price struggled here and it started to retrace back. Okay, any break above this level, any break above, let's make it bigger. I see that any break above the 27.93 or 28.10 will lead to higher levels, but I'm not expecting that the euro dollar will go a lot higher, because we know all the problems in the EU and Greece exit, but until now nothing is sure. But we know that Greece will not get their bailout until June 17th, until they know and they have government until June 17th. So we could see some struggling in this area. But in any way, we are in a downtrend. But any break above this level, we could see some higher levels. We could see going back to the 29.11 or going back again to the 29.90, 3,000. If you go back here, we see that there is a trend line here is broken on the down, this downtrend line on the 4 hours, and any break above this level, above the 28.21, we could see that we could get to the higher levels again. You could trade as intraday if you want to get long. Your target could be here on the hourly chart, which is 28.33, and if 28.33 is broken, we could see 29 and then 29.90. This is the euro dollar. The pound dollar, we see that the pound dollar on the daily chart, the pound dollar on the daily chart, we see that the price retraced from this area here, which is a strong support. The price couldn't break these levels for 1, 2, 3, and this is the third time the price couldn't break it. The price struggled around the 100 and the 200 daily moving average on the daily chart. So it's kind of support. We could see that the price go up again to this level here, okay, and this level here. So any break above the high of the last week, the high of Friday from the last week, which is 58.36, we could see that the price get higher to higher levels, kind of retracement. The first target will be 58.80, and the second one 59.26, and the third one 59.72, which is the 50 daily moving average at the same time. So this is the pound dollar. We could see here the pound dollar broke this downtrend line on the 4 hours chart and closed above it. So the broke above 58.36 will confirm that the price could get higher. So we can check it if you want to get in a if you want to get long. We could see it now like on the hourly chart. The pound yen, we see that the pound yen is breaking the triangle on the 4 hour and the 1 hour chart. If you go to the daily, we could see too that the price is struggling here around this area, which was the last low here. here. There was a low here, so we see that the price is kind of struggling here, but any break above the 125.64 will lead to 126.50, 126.70. But as long as this trend line is not broken, this one here, okay, this one, okay, as long as this one here is not broken, which is the 127 area is not broken, we still in a downtrend. So we see that there is a triangle happened the last week and the price broke it, so we can wait to get involved again in this trade and get like short. We could see that the price go up like this and start getting down again, targeting this level. This is the bound yen. The euro yen is the same. The euro yen, we see that on the 4 hours chart that the price is starting to trace from the 100 levels. So the 100, since the price reached this level on the daily chart, the high of the last Friday is broken, which is 101.09, and this confirms that there is kind of retracement is happening. The next retracement level, which is will be the last support area, and which is now resistance, which is the 102.20, which is here, 102. We could say 102. We see here that the price broke this on the 4 hours chart to the upside, but as long as this line is not broken and the last resistance, the last support, which is resistance now at 102, is not broken, closing above it, we still in a downtrend. Gold looks amazing on the weekly chart. We see that the price retraced from here, which is strong support here. Any break above 1,500, 1,600, which is here. Any break above 1,600 will lead to this area, which is 1,680. We are in a strong support. It's a good place, a good retracement. So any break above this level will lead to higher levels like the 1,700 and 1,780. Silver is the same. We see that silver is getting higher. We see how the silver closed on the weekly. We see the support 4 times, tried to break it but couldn't. So we could see that the price reached back again the 100 moving average, which is 31.20. Thanks for watching, and if you like the analysis, you can share it between your friends.